So hello everyone, in this video we'll be creating a fetch all route in which we'll be sending all the blocks which are created now in another route. Let's just see how like those two documents are there. So in the last video I forgot to show you in the MongoDB atlas. So you can see blocks database is created because we specified it in our .env file. At the end we specified the database name, which was blogs, or the collection name if we are talking about a NoSQL type database. So this is basically a collection, and inside that we have different documents uh, basically. So blogs, inside that blogs is basically the main uh, document in which we have different items we have. So this was it. I hope you got it. So now what we'll be doing is we'll be creating a get all route in which we'll be returning all these blocks from our database to the front end. For now, I'll be just creating a simple get route. Let's just create it. Let's just create app.get, and we can specify get all, and then we can specify async request response and try and catch, all those things. We can log the error. What I can do is I can simply copy it. So what I can do is I can simply copy it, the rest dot status dot and the response at the time of error. Let's just grab the result of blogs by using a wait, and we can call the blog method or blog model, and then we have find, and inside that if we specify an empty curly bracket, here we can also specify the fields or the conditions by which we want to filter out all the blocks. Let's say we want to specify a particular ID that should be returned like this, or a particular ID that we can specify. So all those things we can specify here. Let me just send this to res.send.blocks. So we can send this blocks in this route. If I save it, let me just name it get all blogs instead of get all. Get all doesn't make sense, right? Now here what I can do is I can specify a get all blog, and we can specify get here. Let me just check. Okay, get all blocks, get all blocks, and get request. If I make a get request, so it will return the complete data. You can see it is returning me an array of data which contains two items because we pushed two items last time at the time of post request. What I can do is I can simplify it to look more good. I can specify the count here first, which will be the length of the blocks, and I can specify the data here, which will be all the blocks. So if I do that, that will also be more clear. If I make a request again, let me just see. Yeah, it's started now. Let me just make it one more time. You can see count is 2 because two items are there in our database, and the data is returned. So this was it. I hope you got it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next video.